When it comes to building wealth for retirement, most people stick to the classics like investing in the S&P 500 or the total stock market and letting compound interest work its magic. But here's the catch. When you retire, you'll actually need to sell shares to create income. What if you could avoid that altogether? That's where SCHD comes in, and it might just be a game changer for your future. Over the past decade, SCHD has delivered returns close to the S&P 500, with an annualized return of around 12%. SCHD stands out for its reliability and strong dividend growth. If you're able to build a $1 to $2 million position by retirement, you could potentially live off the dividends alone. No selling shares and no fear of running out of money. And the best part? You keep the full portfolio intact, allowing you to pass it on to your children or grandchildren and create lasting generational wealth. This is the power of the dividend snowball effect. Let's say you invest $20,000 in SCHD today. With the current yield of around 4% and a 12.6% annualized return, you'd earn roughly $800 a year in dividends. At today's prices, that gets reinvested into about 30 more shares, even if you never add another dollar. Year after year, that snowball keeps growing, buying more shares, compounding faster, and boosting your income effortlessly. Now imagine you reach $100,000 invested. Even without adding a single dollar more, in 10 years, it could grow to $364,000, paying you about $13,000 in annual dividends. In 20 years, over $1.3 million with $48,000 a year in passive income. In 30 years, nearly $5 million, generating more than $15,000 a month in dividends, and you never sold a single share. This is thanks to the power of reinvesting plus compound interest. I know, $100,000 or even $1 million can sound completely out of reach. It feels intimidating, maybe even impossible, but don't get discouraged. It is possible, especially if you stay consistent and apply the right strategies. So how do you reach that first $100,000 faster? Here are 3 powerful tips that can help you get there sooner. Tip number 1. Automate your investments. Set it up so a portion of every paycheck goes directly into SCHD. If you never see the money sitting in your checking account, you'll never miss it, and it will quietly grow in the background. Tip number 2. Cut out unnecessary spending. Find just 1 or 2 expenses, like eating out or subscription services, and redirect that money straight into your investment account. Small sacrifices now equal massive rewards later. Tip number 3. Grow your income. Look for ways to boost your income, whether it's switching jobs for a higher salary or starting a side hustle you enjoy. The more you earn, the more you can invest, and the faster you'll reach financial freedom. SCHD offers consistent dividends, strong performance, and resilience even during rough markets, exactly what you want for building true, lasting wealth. So don't wait. Start your snowball today and create a future where you live off passive income and leave a legacy that lasts generations. Take action today, secure your future tomorrow. Remember, this isn't financial advice, but if you found value, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share with others who could benefit.